Hi developers, welcome back to the Programming Fields. Today I'm super excited to finally start our brand new React 19 with Laravel Full Stack series. And this one is very special because this entire series was chosen by you, our amazing community, through the YouTube poll I posted 2 weeks ago. And guess what? The maximum votes were for React. So here we are diving deep into it from the ground up. And this is not going to be just another React tutorial. This is a complete masterclass where we will go step by step from beginner to advanced and then integrate everything with a powerful Laravel backend using REST APIs. So this is not just another React tutorial. This is a complete masterclass built from community feedback. A few weeks ago, I ran a poll asking what you want next. And React won with 58% of votes. This series is community driven and I'm going to build because you asked for it. That's why it will be practical, modern and focused on what you need. So why are we creating this series right now? Because React 19 is here, which came up with major updates, new patterns and a cleaner developer experience. This brings new features and patterns and many tutorials don't cover this. They are missing the latest syntax and new hook patterns and the modern component architecture. We will teach those modern patterns and then integrate them with Laravel as our backend. So you will learn not just theory but how to ship real full stack applications. And I wanted to make sure our community learns React the right way using modern tools, best practices, and real-world patterns used in today's production application. Now you might be wondering why React? There are so many front-end frameworks like Vue, Angular, Svelte, but React continues to dominate the ecosystem. React remains the industry standard for building interactive UIs. The ecosystem is massive. React Query, Next.js, Vite, Tailwind and job demand remains high. React 19 improves performance and adds modern hooks. So learning it now gives you a career edge. And it powers applications like Facebook, Instagram, Airbnb and even Laravel itself now supports React through Inertia and starter kits after a huge upgrade in Laravel 12. So even if you are a Laravel developer, learning React will make you 10 times more flexible and you will be able to build anything from dashboards to CRMs to SaaS products with modern user experiences. Now, why the combination of Laravel plus React? We are pairing React with Laravel because that is how many teams work. Laravel handles business logic, database and authentication, and in other hand, React handles the user interface, routing, and interactions. So this separation will teach you a scalable architecture used in the real-world application. And also on our channel, we already have full playlists on Laravel 10, 11, and 12, where we already covered various things like authentication, authorizations, Livewire, Inertia, and React starter kits and all. So in this series, we won't repeat backend basics. Instead, we will focus primarily on React as the front-end powerhouse and we will use Laravel purely as our backend service. That means you will get real-world practice in separating the front-end and backend, just like modern full-stack teams do. So in short, Laravel will handle the backend logic, database and authentication, and the React will handle the UI, routing, states and interactions things. Now what you will learn in this entire series. So here is the complete roadmap of this series. We will cover React fundamentals, core hooks, routing and context patterns, advanced data handling with React Query and Axios, real authentication plus CRUD with Laravel's API, then performance, testing, and finally deployment. So each phase builds on the last. But before we start, here is what you should already know. This course is ideal if you know the basics of HTML, CSS, and modern JavaScript like ES6. You should understand what an API is. If you already follow our Laravel content, you will find the backend bits easy, but it is optional again. So no need to worry about anything. I will guide you each and every tech stack which will be used in this series. And in the next episode, we will get hands-on on installing Bun. We will show Node fallback to create a Vite-based React 9.10 project and Tailwind for styling and setup, ESLint, Prettier for code quality. So by the end, you will run the app locally and be ready to code. So once this setup will done, we will be ready to start building our first React component in the next episode. So that is the plan for today. I hope you are as excited as I am. This is going to be a community-driven beginner to advanced masterclass, and I will be here guiding you step by step. But if you have not already subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and comment below what specific topics you want me to include as we move ahead. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.